Good morning, students. This is your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Now, today we are going to discuss about land degradation and methods to conserve the soil. So, soil, it is a gift of nature, very precious gift, but careless use has, however, depleted and polluted the resource considerably, so it has thus become essential to conserve them. Now, the total quantity of soil is limited and cannot be increased. So, need of our growing population, moreover, usable the soil which is used to grow the crops, that must be free from pollution which is caused by unscientific methods and disposal of waste and bad farming practices that cause soil erosion and loss of soil fertility. Now, children, some problems are there, some degradation causes are there, in which soil erosion and depletion are the major threats to soil as a resource. Depletion means decrease. Both human and natural factors are responsible. Human factors are also responsible, and sometimes natural factors like landslide and others, flood. So, factors which lead to soil degradation are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizer or pesticides, rainwash, landslides and floods. So, these all are the causes. Landslides are a major threat to soil, because when landslides, the soil which is found there also slips from there, especially on hillside and in valleys and also in coastal areas. A landslide occurs when rock loosened by weathering move down a slope due to gravity, and moving debris can travel at great speed, especially down steep slopes and through channels, giving people little time to get out of the way. The debris carry with them huge boulders and uprooted trees. They can destroy buildings, settlement, and bury roads, railways, these all, highways and railways, these all destroys if landslide occurs. They can also block streams, the way of river. This can cause flood as water correct behind the barrier of debris. It can also break through the barrier and rushes down slope. When the debris get mixed with a lot of water, they form mud flows. And the areas which are situated in low-lying areas face much problem. So, it also triggered by earthquakes, volcanic eruption and violent explosions. Mud flows are usually started by heavy rains or by rapid snow melt. If global warming will be there, then snow will melt very fast. So, human activities such as deforestation, unscientific farming method and excessive construction on slopes increase the risk of landslide. Okay, now these all were about the land degradation. Now, conservation measures of soil. Some conservation measures are given. Some measures or methods I am going to tell you. First one is mulching. The bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. It stops evaporation of moisture, so the moisture remain with the soil. So this is a useful method, and in next video we are going to see different methods. Thank you very much.